Well, hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Wild Your Garden. And in this video I want to just give you an update as to what you can expect from the channel, what's coming up, some really exciting stuff, and what's been happening over the last few weeks. Now, apologies for the lack of content. I know I've only done 1 or 2 videos over the last 2 or 3 weeks, but it's been absolutely manic. I've been in Scotland. If you haven't seen on the community tab, I've been doing a few posts on there of this fabulous little bird hide that I've been building. Really enjoyed that. Obviously got back from there end of last week, but this week's been absolutely mayhem. I've been just back to today to this pond in Oxford just to finish planting this pond up, so this will of course be coming to the channel. We've also finished 2 wildlife gardens off and another 3 ponds, and it's only Thursday afternoon. So it's been a hell of a week, and it's obviously not left me much time for editing videos, and of course they will all be going on the channel very soon. Now, I thought I'd give you an update as well on what's to come. So not only the Scotland trip, I've got many videos from that I filmed that I really can't wait to bring you guys. I can reveal I saw some pretty special wildlife while I was on the northeast Scottish coast, so stay tuned to the channel for that one. And obviously the bird hide in its entirety will be coming to the channel very soon. I'm halfway through editing that, but it's going to be a bit of an undertaking, or it is a bit of an undertaking, because there's, I think last count was about 140 clips I was trying to edit. So yes, a very in-depth video as to this fabulous little building. Anyway, what is coming up on the channel now? Next week, I'm afraid to say, I won't be making many more videos for the next 10 days after the next couple of days, because I am off to France. Now, really exciting venture. I am going down to southwest France, and we are heading to the Pyrenees, well, just north of the Pyrenees, but I'm taking a few days out either side of a consultation where I am looking at a project which is likely to be the rewilding of a 3-hectare plot, which I cannot wait to see. A really lovely couple got in touch through the YouTube channel, actually through one of the previous videos I'd seen on the channel, and are really interested to know what they can do with their land. So I said I'd help them out, and I'm heading to southwest France. I'm driving down there, so I've got 9-10 days of driving there and back basically, but we're kind of myself and Nikki are just taking a few days out to try and get a bit of a break in, because it's just been a whirlwind of a year so far. I mean, we're towards the end of May already. I just don't know where the year's gone, but so really looking forward to getting down there, seeing that part of France. I've never been to southwest of France, so really looking forward to that. But of course I will be filming all the wildlife on the way, and I really can't wait. It should be a fantastic time for things like swallowtails. So the scarce and the European swallowtail should be out over there right now, so I'm really looking forward to filming a lot of the wildlife that I managed to see along the way. So France coming up in a few days, but I will be putting a few more vids out before then. Hopefully. I've got a fair bit to do to try and get wrapped up on with the landscaping side, quotes and a lot of planning, but yes, lots and lots of stuff to come. And yeah, I will have a very exciting announcement for you guys when I come back, which is a project that is a bit later on in the year, but I won't reveal that now. So yes, but thank you all for the comments as always. Thank you for the support, the likes and everything else. It really does mean the world to me. So keep the subscribes coming, keep the likes coming and the comments coming, and like I say, apologies if you don't hear much from me over the next fortnight. It's yeah, time for me to take a bit of time out, if I can, just to enjoy the natural world at this wonderful time of year, because everything is just so lush at the moment. There's just life everywhere you look, so it kind of comes and goes within the blink of an eye. So my message for you in this video is make the most of this time of year. Get out at every opportunity. I went back into Bournemouth the other day to hear the nightingale that I put on the video a little while ago, and I just, oh, absolutely fantastic. So just make the most of this time of year if you can. It really is cracking. So anyway, thanks very much for watching, guys. Please feel free to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give the video a like, and I'll be sure to bring you many more videos on lots of different topics in videos to come. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.